How to check if someone is spying on your Android. Let me show you one of the easiest ways to check. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Next, scroll down and tap Google. Now tap All Services. Take your time here. Scroll down until you find Unknown Tracker Alerts. Then tap on it. If the feature is available on your device, make sure Unknown Tracker Alerts is turned on. This allows your phone to notify you if an unknown Bluetooth tracker, such as an AirTag or another compatible tracker, is moving with you without your knowledge. Once it's enabled, your phone will automatically scan for unknown trackers in the background. If no suspicious trackers are found, you'll simply see a message saying No Tracker Alerts. And that's it. Your Android is now set up to alert you if an unknown tracker is detected nearby. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Android how-to tutorials.